Hi everyone, welcome to my channel 2H Combo. Today I'm gonna show you my fig tree that has been in Florida for quite some time. This fig tree came from California. It's been in Florida for about 2 years and a half. It has not been giving that many fruits. This is the largest fig I've got so far. This one is ripe. I'm gonna pick it today. Not sure if any ants got in there already or not. Oh, somebody got in there already. Okay, let's pick another one right here. I cannot see. Figs normally have holes at the bottom, and that's where insects enter in the fruit and eat them before you do. So looks like this one is clean. I probably can eat this one. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Stay well. Bye bye.